Are you ready for the financial revolution? Here's what's next. Today's episode is all about the future of wealth, specifically the emerging trends that are transforming the way we think about finance, investing, and building wealth in the mid 2020s. The key trends that will reshape how we manage, grow, and protect our wealth. Let's fill your pocket. We're living in a time of rapid change, and the financial landscape is evolving fast. From digital currencies to the rise of robo advisors, new technologies, and shifting economic models, the future of wealth is being shaped by some exciting developments. So, what should you be watching out for as we move into the next decade? Let's dive into some most important trends that could change how we manage and grow our wealth. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. First, let's talk about digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and other coins have made waves in the financial world for the past decade. But the future of digital currency is about more than just speculation and investing in volatile assets. It's about how they could reshape the way we use money altogether. Many experts believe that digital currencies, especially central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, will play a significant role in the future of finance. These government backed digital currencies that could replace physical cash offerings are more efficient, secure, and potentially more accessible way to handle money. Countries like China are already experimenting with their own digital currencies, and the US is exploring their options. As the digital currencies become more mainstream, we could see a shift towards borderless society. The different digital currencies have different functionalities and capabilities. Some of them have smart contract capabilities, while others are meme coins like Pepe, Pepe Coin and Dogecoin, which are coins that don't serve a purpose but are popular for trading. There's also the rise of NFTs, which are non fungible tokens, is a prime example of how digital ownership is transforming wealth building. NFTs are digital collectibles representing everything from art to music to virtual real estate and in game assets. As the metaverse virtual worlds where people can interact, buy, and sell goods continue to grow, NFTs are becoming a new way to store and build wealth. And for investors, digital assets like NFTs, cryptocurrencies represent a new opportunity for portfolio diversification. Beyond NFTs and crypto, the digital asset landscape includes everything from tokenized assets to decentralized finance, or DeFi, where financial services like lending, borrowing, trading occur on the blockchain networks without any intermediates like banks. These emerging digital assets could offer a new way to create, protect, and grow wealth in ways never seen before. What makes DeFi so revolutionary is that it allows people to access financial services without relying on traditional financial institutions. You could borrow money, earn interest, or trade assets without a middleman. The DeFi landscape has grown significantly over the past few years, and it could continue to disrupt the traditional banking and finance sectors. One of the biggest shifts we're seeing in the finance world is the decentralization of investing. Traditionally, investment opportunities have been reserved for the wealthy or those with insider knowledge, but today that is changing. Platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, and Coinbase are making investing more accessible than ever before, allowing for anyone with a smartphone and a few dollars to start building their wealth. From fractional shares to low cost index funds, people are able to invest in stocks, bonds, crypto, and other assets with minimal barriers to entry. What's driving the shift? The rise of technology is making financial markets more transparent and user friendly. Now you don't need a financial advisor or a ton of capital to begin investing in the stock market. And with the rise of commission free trading, the cost of investing has dropped significantly. These trends will likely continue as the platforms pop up, creating generation of investors looking for affordable, user-friendly ways to grow their wealth. The future of wealth is shifting towards accessibility, and it's becoming easier than ever to get started no matter who you are or where you come from. Another key trend to watch is impact investing. Over the last few years, there have been growing shift towards investing in companies that not only provide financial returns, but have a positive impact on social or environmental aspects. This movement is about aligning financial goals with their personal values and investing in businesses that prioritize stability, social responsibility, and ethical practices. Impact investing can take many forms, from funding renewable energy projects to investing in companies that prioritize diversity, equity, and inclusion. And as millennials and Gen Z continue to enter the workforce and gain financial power, there's a shift towards more conscious investing. Study shows that the younger generations are more likely to prioritize companies with strong environmental, social, and governance practices when making investment decisions. This trend will only continue to grow as investors demand more transparency, accountability from companies. We're seeing the rise of green bonds, ESG funds, and ethical investment opportunities. If you're looking to grow your wealth in ways that align with your values, impact investing could be the future you're looking for. Now, let's talk about the future of real estate, a long-standing pillar of wealth building. The real estate market has always been a safe haven for investors, and asset class that people typically turn to for both passive income and long-term capital appreciation. In the coming years, we're likely to see a shift in how real estate is bought, sold, and financed thanks to technologies and changing demographics. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mongo allow everyday investors to pool their money together to invest in real estate projects, making it easier to get exposure to the real estate market without needing a large amount of capital. Additionally, we're seeing the rise of remote working, which influences where people choose to live and invest. With many employees working from home, there's an increasing demand for properties outside major metropolitan areas, which could reshape the housing market and open up new opportunities for wealth building in smaller cities and suburbs. The future of real estate is also going to shape the environmental concerns and sustainable building practices. Green buildings, energy efficient homes, and eco friendly development are becoming more popular, driven both by consumer demand and regulatory pressures. Investors who prioritize sustainable real estate opportunities could see a significant return as these projects are becoming more desirable. Next, let's talk about the intersection of technology and finance, specifically in artificial intelligence and robo advisors. Robo advisors are automated investing platforms that use algorithms to manage and allocate your assets based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They've been around for a while, but as AI continues to improve, the future of robo advising looks even more promising. There are platforms already focused on making investing more accessible, cost effective, and personalized. For example, robo advisors can offer low fee portfolio management and the use of AI to create highly customized investment strategies. As AI technology evolves, we could see even more advanced tools that help investors make real time, data driven decisions, optimize their portfolios, and predict market trends. Financial institutions are also using AI for fraud detection, personalized financial advice, and even automating trading strategies. In the future, we could see AI playing an even bigger role in wealth management, helping both individuals and institutions navigate complex financial markets with greater efficiency and precision. Let's talk about another emerging trend, the rise of alternative investments. Traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate have been the staple of wealth building for centuries. And in recent years, there has been a growing interest in alternative investment vehicles like private equity, crypto, venture capital, and even collectibles like art and rare wine. Alternative investments have historically been limited to accredited investors or those with significant wealth, but that is changing. Platforms like Fundrise, EquityZen, and Masterworks are making it easier for regular investors to access these types of assets. This shift in accessible investment opportunities and giving people a chance to diversify their portfolio beyond traditional assets. The future of wealth may see a greater portion of people's portfolios allocated to these alternative investments. As these opportunities become more accessible and wealth distribution continues to evolve, alternative investments could become a key part of many individuals' wealth building strategies. The appeal of alternative investments is clear. They often provide a higher return than traditional assets, and they offer opportunity to hedge against market volatility. With the rise of fractional ownership and crowdfunding, even smaller investors can tap into these high potential markets. In the future, we may see an even greater expansion of alternative investment opportunities, particularly in industries like clean energy, technology, and global infrastructure. Lastly, let's talk about the changing nature of work. The way people earn money and build wealth is evolving rapidly. With the rise of remote work, the gig economy, and digital entrepreneurship, more people are building wealth outside their traditional 9 to 5 job. Side hustles, freelance work, and online businesses are becoming more common, and people are increasingly looking for ways to generate passive income streams. Platforms like Airbnb, Etsy, and YouTube allow individuals to monetize their skills, talents, and resources in new ways. And let's not forget about the rise of content creators. Social media influencers and YouTubers are now building personal brands that generate wealth sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandising. This shift towards a more flexible, independent work could fundamentally change the way people approach wealth building. The future of wealth may no longer be about climbing the corporate ladder, but about creating multiple income streams and taking ownership of your financial future. As you can see, the future of wealth is full of exciting possibilities: digital currencies, impact investing, AI powered financial tools, alternative investments, decentralized finance, and a changing work landscapes are all reshaping how we approach wealth building. Whether you're an investor, a professional, or just someone interested in understanding the future of finance, these trends will shape the way we think about money in the years to come. So, what does the future of wealth look like? It's one that is more inclusive and more digital. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.